Hi guys, today I'll be unboxing Luther pop vinyl from the Warriors movie. I've already unboxed Swan and Cochise. Be sure to check out those videos on my channel if you haven't already done so. Luther is the leader of the Rogues, and here he is with his infamous 3 bottles. His outfit is pretty simple and unimaginative, but it's accurate to the movie. Here are the 3 bottles. They're slightly translucent. His hair is curlier in the movie. On the back is the Rogues symbol. It's a white skull that's cracked. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe.